Today I will take 7th standard biology subject. Today I am going to teach the topic nutrition in plants. All living organisms need to food to survive. Food provides the essential nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrates are body-building food. Carbohydrates are energy-giving food. Proteins are body-building food. Proteins are body-building food. Fats also energy-giving. Energy-giving food. Vitamins and minerals are protective food. Protective food. Carbohydrates are sources of rice, wheat, maize or food, other cereals or cereals. Okay. Next pulses like green gram, black gram, Bengal gram, all are pulses. That only sources of carbohydrate. Protein is the milk, mutton, chicken and egg also protein sources. Next one, fats also, ghee, butter, milk also fat content many have. Next one, vitamins and minerals are protective food. Vitamins are vitamin A, B, C, D are the protective food. Minerals is iron, calcium are the minerals. Okay. This portion only already you learned it in 6th standard. Today, now only you learn modes of nutrition. Modes of nutrition. Ants can make their own food. They are called producer. Animals are consumers. It is directly and indirectly for feed the food. Next one, the modes of nutrition are two types. First one, autotrophic nutrition. And autotrophic nutrition, and second one, heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. Nutrition told on the Latin word nutri. It means feed, nurse, support and preserve. It means feed, nurse, support and preserve. Next one, what is nutrition? The food eaten by the animals is broken down into simpler substances. You eat on the nutritious food. Okay, that nutritious food go and you eaten by the animals or human is broken down into simpler substances to get energy. You eat the food on, you come to the energy, no? Okay, you eat the nutritious food. The process is taking in food and utilizing it for various life processes called the nutrition. One more time repeat. The food eaten by the animal is broken down into simpler substances to get energy. The process of taking in food and utilizing it for various life processes called nutrition. Next one, autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition means, auto mean self. Auto mean self. Troph mean nutrition. This nutrition is belong to the plant. Belong to the plants. Plants have autotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition in the animals. Okay. First one, what is autotrophic nutrition? Organism that can make their own food. Plants also make their food for own food with the help of simple organic substances such as CO2 and water are called autotrophs. Okay. Organism that can make their own food with the help of simple organic substances such as CO2, water. Water is the organic substance for minerals, also minerals. Minerals are called the autotrophs. You come to the food is the plant loss process of take place, the food is known as the starch. Starch. Okay. It's only autotrophs nutrition. Next one, heterotrophic nutrition. Organism that obtain their energy by breaking down the food from the other organism. In the humans and animals are take to directly and indirectly depend upon their plant. Okay. That other organism are called heterotrophic nutrition. Okay. Next one, autotrophic nutrition in plants. Nutrition in plants. Next, autotrophic nutrition in plants are prepare their own food is called the photosynthesis. It is prepare the food is called photosynthesis. The process of photosynthesis steps are, first one, sunlight. Second one, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, CO2. Carbon dioxide. Third one, water. Water and minerals. Fourth one, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll means green pigment of the leaves. Chlorophyll. Okay. First one, sunlight. Second one, carbon dioxide. Third one, water. Fourth one, chlorophyll. Totally this one need for the process of photosynthesis take place in the plants. Okay. Next one, process of photosynthesis. Process of photosynthesis. leaves, in the green pigment leaves, green pigment of leaves. This side come to the water. Water is absorb the roots to transport the leaves. Okay, next one, sunlight. Give the sun from the gives us sunlight. Sunlight. Next one, the air is CO2. Air is CO2. Next release from the converted to released out O2. Okay, O2. This is the sugar get from the food for the starch. Okay, yeah, starch. Okay, the energy gives us sunlight. Gives us sunlight. It is the use of leaves to prepare the CO2 and water. CO2 and water. The leaves prepare the food materials is prepare the directly prepare the gives the sunlight. Okay, directly take the sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. Okay, the leaves are the food factories of plant. It is the kitchen plant. Okay, next one, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Epidermal cell. The upper part is cuticle. Side, palisade, parenchyma cells. Spongy tissue have two pair of stomata. Two pairs of stomata. It is the stomata gourd cells. Gourd cell, bean shaped structure is called gourd cells. The carbon dioxide in the air is enter the air to the space of the stomata and go inside in the leaves part. Okay, stomata is the respiratory organ for the plant. Okay, it is the air is go inside, that time only open the helpful for the regulate the gourd cell of regulate the gourd cells. Okay, the regulate the gourd cell opening and closing the stomata. Next one, water. Water and minerals are present in the soil part, present in the soil. It is the absorb the roots and transport to the leaves of the plant. Okay, Leaves of the plant. Water and minerals are the important need for the photosynthesis. Okay. Next one, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green pigment of the leaves. Green pigment for leaves. Green pigment. Photosynthesis does not take place in the non-green plants. Okay, non-green plants. The important needs for the photosynthesis is first one sunlight, second one carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll. Okay, chlorophyll. Next one, product of photosynthesis. Product of photosynthesis. CO2 plus H2O gives chlorophyll, light energy, chlorophyll, sugar plus O2. Okay, sugar plus O2, oxygen. Next one, CO2 plus carbon dioxide plus 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O gives light energy, chlorophyll, come to the product is C6H12O6 plus H2O, water. C6H12O6 is the glucose. In the photosynthesis period, come to the product for the plant. Okay, that only food. Food is the starch. Okay, carbon dioxide and water are the minerals. Gives the sunlight, light energy. Chlorophyll is the green pigment of the leaves. You come from the sugar and O2. Okay, sorry, starch. Sugar and O2. Okay. Next 6 CO2, come to the carbon dioxide and water. Sources of sunlight gives the chlorophyll, mean green leaves. We will come to the last product is glucose and water. Glucose was C6H12O6 glucose. Okay. This portion. There are two types of nutrition. Autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. Auto means self. Heterotrophic mean other. Okay, self nutrition and others nutrition for the heterotrophic have the only use for the animals. Okay, plants only autotrophic nutrition. The definition for the autotrophic nutrition: organism that can make their own food with the help of simple inorganic substance such as CO2 and water are called autotrophs. Next one, heterotrophs: organism that obtain their energy by breaking down the food from other organism are called heterotrophic nutrition. Only take directly and indirectly upon the food from the plants. Okay, that only heterotrophic nutrition. There are autotrophic nutrition in plants. Plants come to the many. One process came for the photosynthesis. That product is need for the photosynthesis in plant: sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll. Okay, last I come to the product for the photosynthesis in the carbon dioxide plus water, light energy and chlorophyll to sugar and O2 oxygen. O2 oxygen, H2O mean water, carbon dioxide, oxygen. Last come to the product is glucose, C6H12O6, C6H12O6 for the glucose. Okay children, thank you.